Hi, today I'll share with you the two-stage domestic water filter, and it is very easy to install and operate. Let's see what's inside. For stage 1, it is to remove the dust of sand or other dirty stuff. And for stage 2, it is to remove the odor, the taste, and the chlorine. So let's open the box. So this is what you get: the opener, the tube, and this socket. Let's see how we install this. First, make sure you install the tube first. Just push it in. If you see the head, the filter is bypassed. That means the water flows straight from here. If you turn this way, the water goes through the filter and it's purified. That means the water will come out from the tube. First, remove your existing faucet head, and then make sure the washer is inside the filter head, and then just screw it tightly. If you are using this kind of faucet, please use the adapter. Screw it tight to the bib. And then screw the adapter to the filter head. To replace the filter, kindly use the equipment to open the filter cover. Please make sure the O-ring is placed properly before you close the cover. The carbon filter is placed before the tube outlet. And again, use the equipment to properly lock the cover to prevent leaking. Thanks for watching, and this is all about the two-stage domestic water filter. Thank you. If you would like me to show you how to install other items, please leave a comment down below. Thank you.